Hi there, I'm Hugo Bugg. I'm the Bugg part of the Harris Bugg studio along with my colleague Charlotte. And we're standing here today in the Crocus Tunnel looking at our plants for our M&G Chelsea garden that we are bringing to Chelsea in September.
Before the pandemic, we had designed this garden to be a garden that was a shared public space. It was imagined as a pocket park, perhaps sliced out of a town or city, to create this moment of green respite for people and wildlife. So there's so many things that are exciting about Chelsea this year, the timing of it, the fact that we will all be back together when we've all missed Chelsea so much. But one of the things that really tops the list for us is the opportunity to design this garden together, because we both designed our individual gardens and helped each other out behind the scenes. But really this is the first one we've designed and detailed and we'll build together with Crocus, and that feels really brilliant and fantastic.
When we found out that the Chelsea Flower Show was going to be moved from May to September, I think it's true to say we had mixed feelings and anxiety. Yeah, I think we had always imagined a very light, dappled, shaded garden with lots of lovely fresh foliage coming up, and actually will be towards the end of the summer where the shade potentially might be a bit sort of darker, plants are way into a different sort of season for them. But naturally there will be some losses, like these amazing Melanosolinum decipiens, which, that was a really tough plant that we gave to Crocus to try and get in flower for us. And there's loads here and they look fantastic, so they're not going to make it. But we have got equally other plants which were going to be for their foliage in May, but are actually going to be, stars of the show. So we're really looking forward to that. And we relish the challenge that we've got coming in September.